So it's time to put a new terminal on the end of that wire. You know, a crimping tool and some terminals should get you going. And I got this. I'm going to scan that and put it at the end of the video. That's one of the better diagrams of the wiring for the starter system I've got for this engine. So I'll show it to you later. Okay, same problem as originally. Let's zoom in. Have a look, you'll see there's power going there. And the starter motor sort of just won't crank over. You can see it trying to pivot. Alright, let's go to the next step. So as I said, I want to crank the engine over, or turn the engine, and there's your hole, and it goes into the, at the other end there's the crank nut. Let's have a look if we can see that quickly. Alright, very hard to get a camera in there, so that's that. And what it looks to be this size. Are we ready? Where is it? Here we bloody go, focus mania. 1 11/16. I doubt you can see that. Let's go out here where there's a bit of light. Terrible camera for that. 1 11/16. Here's a better look of what we're trying to do. We're going to put a handle up in his crank handle hole to that crank nut I've already shown you. Let's see how we go this time. I've got an adapter for that socket. Let's do it. Right, so clockwise that's not going anywhere. I've got a socket on there. It's seized, for want of a better word. Let's go backwards, or lefty. Nothing either. There you go. It's not so much for turning the engine over. I know there's a lot of compression, but it should move a little bit. You can see I'm putting all my weight on that. Alright, further investigation required. And just to double confirm, look, the PDO is spinning freely, so we're not stuck in some sort of geared connection. So for the record, you can see there's a socket. I needed an adapter from 1 inch to, what is it, half, sorry, from 3/4 to half. Then I've just got a big extension bar going out, and the wrench, so to speak. So that's a makeshift crank handle, sort of. You wouldn't use it to crank the motor because it won't come off. It'd probably keep spinning and knock you out.